Got off the track, first moto's over. Junior, what happened? Give him the play-by-play here.
Yeah, clutch was fried coming in. We're coming in from practice during this past week. So we put a new clutch in it, and we're having trouble with the hydraulic clutch adjustment. So the clutch is slipping everywhere. So slipping really hard off the start, and I knew I was kind of in for a bad one. And I was trying to recoup. In like fourth or fifth or something, and the GoPro latched onto the handlebars going down the main straightaway in like fourth gear.
That was like 10 seconds into the race, right? Second corner. Was it first lap or?
No, it was like third lap or something like. It was
like the third, at least third.
Oh wow, I didn't know it was that.
Yeah, it was like third lap. My head clipped onto the handlebars while I was coming off the ledge in fourth gear wide, and shot me right off the track. Luckily, I was able to reach the rear brake and the clutch. But I was whiskey throttling and accelerating with my hand stuck, with my head stuck to the bars. So got really lucky with that one.
We got to see the GoPro footage of that. Yeah, you dodged a bullet there, huh?
Yeah. The 500, she'll kill you.
So this, you got to respect it. So got a little clutch issue here. We have a hydraulic clutch which is slipping, and Wizard's making some adjustments here.
I'm trying to file off a little bit of room so we have some more free play in the push rod. I'm doing it through the hydraulic spacer, and I don't know if it's going to work. I don't think it's going to. I think I have to take it off the pin, the push rod itself.
Yeah.
And we would need some real tools for that.
So how's that coming? Is it wearing it?
Yeah, it is. I think so.
Taking a little bit off, hopefully.
Yeah, it is, definitely. I'm not sure if it's going to work.
Now with the hydraulic clutch, is there any adjustment, or?
It self-adjusts itself, but the problem was when we put the new clutch in it, we had total different spacing. I don't know what is in this bike for a clutch at this point. It's supposed to be an 88, but it's got a Hinson basket in it.
So it's a Hinson. What year is the Hinson?
We put a stock clutch. We put a stock clutch in the bike, and all the spacing was different. So we changed the push rod to a 92 push rod, which seems to be a shorter push rod.
That's this one right here?
Yeah.
What'd that come in?
No, its push rod is in the motor.
Oh. Yeah.
And I don't know, it's hard to explain, but it just changed because too many different parts we're working with, too many different years and two different models. And
what's the clutch basket? It's a Hinson, but what year is that designed for?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
It was brand new when Shane ordered it, right?
It was in the motor.
Oh, it was in the motor? Yeah. Okay, so, Can't wait to get that built service Honda, built 500 Honda billet motor done from Adam Millar at MRE. That'll be a huge improvement. But this one's got the power. It's been having some issues. Had a chain roller, lower chain roller fell off. Had some issues with the transponder sliding on the triple clamps. We got that fixed. It's got the new DX Mako. Did that help with the vibration at all? The bar mount?
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Other than it clamping on your helmet cam and almost killing you. They do make a cover for these, by the way. We'll have to call them up and order one. So Wizard's missing his son's Moto right now to get Kenny back on the track, which is really nice of him. Shane's out there on the 125.
More than 50 people are allowed, and they keep doing it state to state. The reason it's here is because Connecticut said no more. Now Massachusetts is doing it too.
So Wizard was just telling us that the reason we're here at Southwick today is Connecticut has a new COVID law. No more than 50 people can gather at a race, which I don't understand, because you go to Home Depot or anywhere and there's hundreds of people everywhere. It's a total mob.
Crazy.
But if you want to go out and have fun and recreate, it's not allowed. So, but anyways, they moved it from Central Village, Connecticut here to Southwick, and now rumor has it Southwick and Mass may follow suit. So this might be the last race of the season, unfortunately. I don't know about New York with Unadilla MX. I heard MX Rewind was canceled too. I don't know if that's true or not. Someone told me today. I hope they're around.
Just pull it in for once.
Good thing we own a 50-acre farm. We'll have our own event.